lucrative blocks. I roamed drug blocks, networking for net worth. I left my pack, P90 or Glock on the tire of a car that's parked because I kept getting jumped out on by the narcs in the projects. Because I'm a known progenitor of blow, Ena soda, and water in a Pyrex mixer. Cooker, a topper, a slabber, a by any means necessary go-getter when it came to making my poor family's life better. Let me tell y'all a story. Dudes ain't want me to come up, but you can't stop a hungry braveheart trying to escape poverty. So I climbed up slowly. I was pitching for everybody, getting packs for 70-30. Dudes thought they was herbing me, but really I had just begun my wrong path to the riches blood journey. I had to start somewhere to stack my own re-up money. I took that 70-30 happily. I might have not been doing too well, but what I was doing was getting clientele. These low-level bossmen thought they hit the lotto with young Bayako. They driving caddies and town cars around the hood like they stars, and I was the one dealing with the elements, running wild in housing developments. I played my position. It was my block, but I kept pitching the next man's rock. Cha-ching! After doing what every poor kid would do when double-digit residuals is something we're not used to, we started splurging on materialistic items for fame and to attract fast life women. I smartened up, saved up. Now I could do my own re-up. Didn't burn bridges. Every color owner got their money to the penny. Thanks, guys. It's time to do me. I'm on the come up. I met people that so yay. They always told me when I'm ready to come see them any day. That day came. I went to see them for that hard cane. I'm copping cook-up, bagging up my own color for my own profit. I'm in the game. I'm breaking night against mom's wishes, trying to get my pockets right to fulfill mom's wishes and my fantasies because daddy died of cancer and left us with no cheddar. I wasn't mad at him. He was also a forgotten son, a broke Air Force veteran that fought for freedom and never got the right compensation, so he was forced to start hustling to feed his children. I saw my dad struggle to survive through drugs and guns in the slum for income. He was my idol. Just like him, I tried to bubble minus the all-day drinking of liquor and the addiction of heroin. It started with me alone, then friends from other broken homes. We all had one thing in common: poverty. They joined the struggle to get out of it with me. Now it was no longer me alone in that night's lobby. My peers and my adolescent years went fast chasing currency. We was doing great. We were all eating instead of looking at empty plates. Every few hours we would all rotate, and one pot all that money would generate. At the end of the flip, we would take out the read that split that PC and celebrate. We had to step it up again. That cook-up wasn't keeping up with the competition. We're used to a certain flow. Now our product wasn't potent enough. Things started to get slow. Nobody knew how to chef that blow. We were stuck between a rock and a hard place until a friend taught me how to cook that base. I washed a few times, then voila. I now can cop my raw and boil them white lines. Doing so brought long lines, and at the same time unwanted attention from one time. Me and my right-hand man are heading towards infamous hood stardom. We're now dealing with stronger connections. Names I'm ringing bells like hashtags and mentions in the coke arena as if the streets of New York was a social network. From 1 ounce we went to 2. From 2 we went to 62 and a half to 2. That's 125. Double that to 200 and a half. 2 and a half flipped to a half. 2 halves made a whole one. That was every hustler's dream on the Ave in the slums. I'm shining. My right-hand men are blinging. The entire team is flossing. Dime dame pimping. 245-45 low pro black Momo, Hammond Antera blacktop screeching. Skipping in first, second and third. Short shift shifting. We didn't do the FDR because it was too bumpy, so we took the west side highway to get to the east side doing $150. We did it. The world was ours. That's what I was thinking while Godfather and Halo in my system blaring, looking at the side views and the rear view, watching for any unmarked vehicles tailing. We bored to death. Literally. He died. Many men died. 17-year-olds were catching homicides. The rest were charges starting with 220. I ignored the warnings. Now I have to learn about mourning and about prisons from the young men that were by my side on the outside, and then I'll reside on the inside. From a pitcher I made it to the top. Every day we bottle pop with profit from a Pyrex pot. I was with many kids from broken homes. History repeat itself. I was on the block alone.